Okay, another product endorsement here for stuff that we sell or recommend on the website. It's Unpaid. I've bought it myself, nobody's sponsoring me, but while I was in Sorrento, my wallet became worse for wear and I saw these. Now, being in the garage business, there's a lot of cars get pinched, a lot, and it's basically these keyless entry cars. The signal can get snatched and they can get in your car while your keys are in the house, or they can use an amplifier near your front door or a window. It picks up the signal from the key, they can amplify it, send it to the car, and then they just drive off in your car. Well, they can also do that with your credit cards and debit cards while you're in a queue and snatch the signal from them. So this basically, it's called a Secrid. You put your cards in, click that, and that brings the card up. So all your cards are in that little container there, and it won't allow a radio signal through. And you've also got this little bit here, you put notes in, and then some more cards, or in my case stamps and so on. And it's a really good little thing, and it fits in your pocket nice and keeps your information nice and safe. So we've got these on the website anyway. I bought this in Sorrento with my own money, and I can thoroughly recommend it. It was about probably 6 weeks ago, and it's good. Thanks for watching.